Alright guys, so since I was bored and well, di ko kasi trip yung tunog ng busina natin, I changed the stock horn with this. It's actually a spare horn that a friend of mine has. And apparently kasi, if you have, a horn that is basically, like 12 volts, I think, it's gonna be plug and play. It's gonna be pretty easy. So I put it on the Cafe 400 and this is the stock horn. I mean, it's a shame, it looks nice pero masyado siyang matining. Sounds tiny, But yeah, so I replaced it with this and the following video is gonna show you how it was done. It's actually pretty easy.
Alright boys, ito yung busina. It seems pretty easy to take off. Tatanggalin lang yata itong dalawang plug. Then we're just gonna unscrew that. I mean, sorry my guy, but you sound pretty squeaky. So, papalitan natin siya ng maliit naman din, pero it's gonna be a brush horn. Kasi syempre tayo isang buwan. Yeah. By the way, see this? Wala na guys, huwag nyo i-DIY katulad sa akin Nakalawang na. So I'm gonna have to have this fixed. Siguro bukas. Okay, let's go.
So step 1, tinanggal ko muna yung headlight housing para mas madaling tanggalin at ikabit ulit yung bagong helmet kasi medyo in the way siya. Pero kapag tinanggal mo yung headlight housing, it's gonna be way easier, you'll see. So from there, pwede mo na ma-unscrew yung nut na nag-secure sa horn and it's just gonna be pretty easy once na matanggal mo na siya. And then after that, you can just pull out the wires from the stock horn and then replace it with your new one.
So boys, this mukhang pwede ito pang adjust ng busina kasi may ganyan din yung Bosch model Let's see kung pwede ma-adjust.
Okay boys, post-recording Fitz here. Let me correct myself there. Hindi pala to screw na makakapag-adjust ng tono or ng sound ng horn mismo, pero it's rather just to adjust the volume of the horn that you have. So typically, may mga ganyan daw talaga sa mga iba't ibang klaseng musina, pero yung mismong tunog ay magiging depende na talaga sa mismong internals ng horn. Okay? Syempre, since ayoko naman pagpilitan yan kung mali naman ako, di mali ako, diba? So syempre, gusto ko i-correct yan. Lahat naman tayo dito para matuto. Siyempre dahil sigurista tayo, sinaksa ko muna yung horn bago siya ikabit sa motor kasi baka mamaya magkaroon pa ng issue, so magandang ma-check kung gumagana ba. Matapos magulat sa bago mong busina dahil gumagana siya, pwede mo nang ikabit ulit sa motor tapos after that you can just put back the headlight housing.
Setup looks sleek underneath in the black. Nakatabing nila ng onte kasi pag naiipit siya, naiipit din yung tunog. So it has to be loose. So medyo maluwag siya para pag napipindot mo, buo siya. Sounds a little cleaner than the first stock horn. So that's okay. Pag tumaas ng budget ko, palitan natin siya ng mas buo pa lalo dyan. Deeper sounding horns.
So it really is easy. Kita nyo naman yun, literal, tinanggal ko lang naman yung saksakan, I unscrewed the horn, replaced it with a new one, and that was it. So as long as it's going to be within spec, syempre, there are gonna be larger, more powerful horns, which may be more than 12 volts. So If it's gonna be more than that, then I suggest siguro na makausap nyo siguro yung mga tao mag-fit, or if you can go to a machine shop where, or like to an auto parts shop where they can either test or maybe see if your desired horn is gonna be compatible with the motorcycle, or if you have to change anything, then that'll be the best option. Because you know, sometimes it's gonna be hard if you're gonna buy something and then, oh my god, it doesn't fit, or it suddenly works but it's just above like the amperage, and then suddenly a fuse blows and you're like, oh my god, it's not working anymore, diba? So I would usually suggest talaga na if you're unsure, it's not bad to ask for someone for help. And yeah, I mean, that's basically it. That was pretty fun to do, actually. Mas matagal pa tong outro na to kaysa yung process eh. Dami lang cuts, but yeah, it was pretty straightforward. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. And tomorrow we are gonna make another vlog. We're gonna go to Caloocan. We're gonna have a repaint for the motorcycle. Kasi kita nyo, kinakalawang na yung rear fender kasi sinubukong i-DIY na tanggalin yung pintura nun. Not good, guys. Don't do it. I mean, not unless you know what you're doing. Ako, I didn't know what I'm doing, so anyway, lesson learned. Hopefully matanggal nila yung kalawang, and they'll be interested na gawan ko sila ng vlog. So yeah, you guys can stay tuned to that, and I shall be seeing you all very soon.